Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to assign activities in Seesaw. So I opened up Seesaw and this is my screen and I've clicked on the activities button already. And if you look right here, you'll see the assignments that I have for this week so far. So it's Tuesday today, so there's Monday's assignment. Tuesdays have come on already. So this is my summer school classroom. It has 68 students in it. Hopefully you won't have that many this year. And so I'm going to show you now how to assign them. So I come up here, green check, it says add, click it, assign activity. And then this will open up and you can go to the community and search for them if you want to, or I have everything in my library already. Down here are my collections, so I have this one right here that I'm going to assign the activities from. It's kindergarten, fourth quarter, done by Dee Dee and myself. So I'm going to come way down here to week 10 just to choose one. And I'm going to choose week 10, kindergarten math, what makes 10. So there's a button on here that says assign, so I can just click it from here. And then if I just want to assign it right now, I just check my class and I hit assign to one class. And I'm done. So if I go back to class here, there it is right there, assigned to the whole class. That certainly is one option of how to assign it. It's quick and easy. It's actually the way I do it during the regular school year. I tend to get to school very early, so in the morning before I get to school, I assign my Seesaw lessons for that day. And it keeps it sweet and simple. The other way to assign it is if you plan ahead, and this is what I do for summer school because I don't always have time to get to my computer. So I hit assign activity. My library comes back up again. Kindergarten, fourth quarter. Go way down here, and I'm going to assign a language arts lesson. So this time I click it again, but this time I'm going to hit schedule. It opens up, assign on a specific date. Click right here and the calendar opens up. So I'm going to assign this for tomorrow, July 22nd. So I click on it. Now I just have to look at the time here, 8:40. I'm going to make it a little earlier in the morning. I have kids all over the country in the class, so I'm going to make it all the way to 4:40 a.m. And I click it. Assign on July 2nd, 2020, 4:40 a.m. And I'm finished with it. Now to check it, to see, you'll see it's not here right now, but I can click right here on scheduled and you can find it in here. It's down here at the bottom. And my other scheduled ones for tomorrow are already on here, and I haven't scheduled my Thursday activities yet. So very easy to schedule activities. I'm going to show you one other thing on assigning activities. If you don't want to assign it to your whole class, you can assign it to a small group. Come back to the same one. And let's just say I had kids that I want them to work a little bit more on addition within 5. So I click on it. I hit assign. The same way as the other one, I click it and I could schedule it or hit it right there. But right now I'm going to hit edit students. And then here are all of my students. So if you'll notice, there's certain kids with an icon and certain kids with a different color background. Those are my kids from my regular class. So I have them leveled in by guided reading level groups, and there's 3 different colors. So let's pretend that for right now, I wanted the kids who are in my pink group to have a little more practice on the skill, which is actually a math skill instead of language arts. I just click them. It works out really good if you use your kids and you put them on a different color background and you put them in here, because then you can find your groups quick and easy. Otherwise, especially in this class with 68 students, it would take a long time. I just check it again. And now it shows that it's going to be assigned to 8 students only. Assigned to those 8 students. And I am done with that one. Back to class. And it shows right here that it's assigned to 8 students. I can click on it to see if those are my 8 students. There they are right there. Nobody's turned it in, obviously. And that way I could assign it to a small group instead of a large group. That's it. So assigning activities overall, pretty easy. Thanks for listening.